Okay, so in the last video, we talked about how to create a web form. And now in this video, what I want to do is cover with you how to put that web form on a WordPress blog without having to have the challenge of the WordPress bug of it disappearing. So first, let me go ahead and copy this code and show you what I'm talking about so you can see why this is important. So first, here's the dashboard of a blog we have set up. I'm going to click on New Page, and I'm just going to say Sample 44. And then one of the things that you have to do whenever you put code, okay, and this is considered a code, is instead of putting it on the Visual tab, you have to put it on the Text tab, okay? So if I put this on here and then hit Publish, you'll see that it'll actually work fine, it'll look fine. We'll go ahead and open that link, and so we can see it's on there, right? Now the challenge is, if we go back to text, look, it's gone, right? So if we were to add something else, like, some text, like, click this form button, and then hit update, then you'll see that the form is going to be gone, but the text will be there. So what we want to do instead is we want to add a special code, and this is what it looks like. So we're going to go over here to the text. Excuse me. And it's a PHP code, and there's actually a plugin that you need in order to display PHP, but it's free on WordPress. And I'll put the link to that underneath this video so you can get that PHP plugin. And then this link right here, okay, is where the actual form is going to be uploaded. So the way we do that is over here we click on New Media, and what we're going to do is we're going to simply copy and paste the form onto a notepad file, and I added two little brackets here. One is for center, and the other is to end the center tag, because I wanted to have the actual form centered on the page. You don't need that, but if you want to do that, that's all you have to do, is just put those two tags. And then what I did was I saved this notepad, and I just called it form.html. Okay, so you can call it whatever you want as long as it ends with .html. And then what we can do here is we click on Select Files, and then we find our form.html. And then now that it's uploaded, we can come over here and we click on this Edit button, and this tells us where the form is actually at. So we just simply highlight that, copy it, and then when we come back over here to our page, we would replace this URL with the new one that we just did. Okay. Now if we click on Update, we can come back over here and we can refresh this page, and we can see that it shows up fine. Now again, going back to visual to text, visual to text, WordPress will leave this code alone. It doesn't get rid of it. So that's a great little workaround for the WordPress bug of trying to put your form on the page. So what's great about this too is you can have this form on multiple pages that you're split testing to get people onto the same list, and you can simply copy this code and put it on all of those pages. And then if you decide to change that form, for instance, what the button says or the text or whatever, you simply change it on that one page, the form1.html page, and it'll automatically be updated on all the other pages. So that's it for the WordPress bug, getting around that with putting your GetResponse form on a WordPress blog.